facing difficulty in creating questions? Are you looking for the sources with easy questions? Then I have a solution for you. So sit back and follow these steps. You can find questions using your smartphone by going into the Chrome browser. Simply you have to type the website chatgpt.com. After opening the website, in the message ChatGPT, you have to type the content related to your quiz. For an example, I am typing my content as create 10 questions on the topic water cycle for class 3 children with each question have one word answer. So within a second you will see a list of questions will appear with answers. The next topic that I have entered here is related to the place value in mathematics. So here also you will find the set of 10 questions appear. Next topic that I have created is present tense. So 10 questions related to present tense. Further, you can save your questions also with answers by copying it. Open your document file and then you can paste it. These questions further you can copy to the presentation or even you can use for Kahoot quiz. How to use Kahoot quiz? The video is already shared. Thank you for watching.